Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dear students. With you, Mr. Mahmoud Sulaiman, Math teacher for grade 4 second term. Our lesson today about measuring angles and naming angles and using protractor or measuring angles. Uh, we can naming angles. An angle is formed by two rays. We had studied this information and taking the difference between rays and straight line and line segment and point. So an angle is formed by two rays that have the same end point. Angle BAC written as angle BAC. Symbol for this symbol for an angle, we can call it this angle BAC. We name that angle BAC is shown at the right. Its sides are AB and BC. Where is this shape now? This shape here. We have AB or AC. This ray called AB and this ray called AC. AB and AC. Point R is called vertex. Point R is called a vertex. This point A, I'm sorry, point A is called a vertex of the shape. Point A is called a vertex. Here we have here angle A. We can call it B, CAB. We can call this angle CAB, or we can call it BAC. This angle we can call it by these two names. We can call it BAC or CAB, or we can write it as an angle A. When three letters are used, the middle letter names the vertex. This middle letter, the vertex. This middle letter is a vertex or the angle on this vertex. Example, name the rays and vertex of each angle and name each angle in three different ways as this shape. In the shapes now we have this ray. We can call these two rays y x-ray and yz ray. We can call this angle as xyz, or we can call it angle A, or we can call it zax, like this. Number B, we can call it the rays ML, the ML ray or MN ray, just two rays. And this angle we can call it the angle M, or we can call it LMN, or we can call it NML. Number C, this angle is a straight angle. Excellent. There's straight angles we can call it angle F O, and we have two rays here, FG ray or FE ray, or we can call it a GFE, angle a GFE or a EFG. How can you measure angles? Now, if we have this shape, it's called protractor. This protractor measuring angles of any shape. How can we use this protractor to measure the shape? We put this protractor as a shape on a straight line or on the straight line segment and start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. If we start from this side, or when we start from this side, we can start from here 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. How to use a protractor? Here we have 90. It is right angle. Use the outer scale to measure angle from this direction. From this direction we used 0, 10. This outer scale, and from this we use this inside scale to use the measure of these angles. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. And we start from this. We have in on a protractor. If you have this shape, you can you can see this point here called center point. Track each angle and extend its sides. Use a protractor to measure. We have this angle. We can put the protractor here and put the center point on this point here and start counting from right here 0, 1, 2 until you go until 90 degree. And you can use number B protractor to point to put this center point. You can put it here on this point and start from right hand side to count the measure to get 40 degree. Number C, this angle, obtuse angle, it's more than 100 or it's more than, I'm sorry, it's more than 90 degree. It's equal 120 degree. We finish our lesson today. See you next week.